How to earn money from YouTube. To earn money from YouTube, you can follow these steps. Create a YouTube channel, sign into YouTube using your Google account, and set up a channel. Choose a name that represents your content or brand. Decide on your content, determine the type of videos you want to create and the target audience. It could be anything from vlogs, tutorials, gaming, comedy, music, or educational content. Create high-quality content. Invest time in producing well-edited videos with good audio and visuals. Make sure your content is engaging, unique, and provides value to viewers. Build your audience, promote your channel through social media, online communities, and collaborations with other YouTubers. Consistently upload new content and interact with your audience through comments and messages. Enable monetization. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This includes having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once accepted, you can enable monetization on your videos. Set up Google AdSense. Connect your YouTube channel to a Google AdSense account to earn money from ads displayed on your videos. You will receive a portion of the ad revenue generated by your content. Explore other monetization options. YouTube offers additional ways to earn money, such as channel memberships, merchandise shelf, Super Chat, and YouTube Premium revenue. Consider utilizing these features to diversify your income. Create sponsored content. As your channel grows, you may receive offers from companies or brands to create sponsored videos. Make sure to disclose any paid promotions to maintain transparency with your audience. Utilize affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs relevant to your content and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. When viewers make purchases through those links, you can earn a commission. Track your analytics and optimize. Use YouTube's analytics to understand your audience, their preferences, and video performance. Adjust your content strategy based on the data to maximize engagement and revenue. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. It's essential to focus on creating quality content and engaging with your audience to increase your chances of earning money from YouTube.